Are they late to Bitcoin? Is it too late to buy Bitcoin, Fred, and benefit from it?
Oh, well, I mean, we're super early. We're very, very early. I mean, this is like we're the beginning of probably a 20-year journey of massively high returns. It's going to be, we're going to have massively high returns for 20 or maybe even 30 years. That's basically, I think, where we are. So, you know, you're nowhere, you're at the beginning, like you're in the first inning. So I think you're not at all late.
Bitcoin's rise isn't over yet, and now is the perfect time to get involved before missing out on huge gains. Wall Street veteran and mathematician Fred Krueger says we're still in the early stages, with less than 1% of wealthy individuals owning Bitcoin. Krueger predicts that the next 20 to 30 years could bring substantial returns. Despite previous concerns about being too late, Bitcoin's growth cycle keeps proving there's more potential. Even with Bitcoin at $100,000, Krueger believes we're still just at the beginning. Don't miss out, stick around to hear more of Krueger's insights on Bitcoin's future. Also, if you enjoy listening to crypto-related content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel by following the link in my bio. And get access to my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox. Each newsletter contains market intelligence, on-chain data and latest updates from experts in the crypto space. All of this is available completely free of charge. Signing up only takes a moment and you can always change your mind later on. Now back over to Fred Krueger.
I do think that we're in kind of now for a long, very positive route, similar to buying Apple stock, you know, in 2010 or something, or Amazon in 2010, you know. And, you know, those, I can tell you, look, I owned Apple in 2008 and I bought it when they first came out with the iPhone. I was like, oh man, this thing's going to be great. And the stock doubled. It did bad and then it doubled and it recouped after 2010. I said, oh, I'm done. Great trade. Fantastic. Stock went up 50 times after that. 50 times. Okay. Apple has gone up 50 times from 2010 till now.
That's crazy.
And you know, did they have a new product? Not really. They had the watch, you know, they had the watch, you know what I mean? The iPhone came out while I still had Apple shares. I bought in a little bit along the way, but I had a pretty big position in Apple. And, you know, Amazon, you could have avoided the crash of 2000. But then it's afterwards that even in the last decade, Amazon just did phenomenal, right? So it was a very mature company, nothing fantastically new, or there was no strategic reserve that moved Amazon up, right? Just went up, just kept on going up, right? So I think Bitcoin's going to be like that. It's not going to be like we need this strategic reserve, or we need this Saudi sheikh to buy it. This thing's just going to work. This thing will just work, and it will work. And really, you gotta just extend your time frame to about a decade. And I think you got to figure out, okay, how do I make sure that I have Bitcoin, my core position, throughout this decade? So whatever your plan is, you got to make sure that you do not sell more than 20% of your Bitcoin for the next 10 years. So you got that 20% you can play around with. You can do whatever you want. But keep 80%, as long as you keep 70 or 80%, the numbers are they're going to be amazing for you.
Yeah.
All of us old timers are going to be really, I think are going to really, really benefit from just the pure growth factor. And I think that the key is just to kind of keep a level head and stay calm and understand that there will be volatility, and fine. We're okay with it.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for news and expert predictions direct to your inbox.